How to add the skin type in Amazon shopping. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add it. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon. So here on the left top, tap on your profile again and simply double tap on it. Here we're in this account settings. Now here on the second option you can see skincare and beauty. Tap on skincare and beauty. Now on the first option there's skin type. Tap on skin type and tap on add. So this is the section where you can add what type of skin you have. So here there are basically 4 options. So I'm selecting one. At last on the bottom simply tap on save and you're done. So the suggestion will come according to it too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.